Hey, good morning guys. Richie and I are about to go to Baludoy's house. We're gonna start harvesting corn there, so that should be pretty interesting. Before we go, I was just gonna show you some of the things that we got for him. This is a gift from Janice. I'll put her YouTube channel here. It's raincoat and rain pants. And then we also got them a Frisbee. We got them one before and it just wasn't working very good. We threw it and it just fell right down. But we got them a different one. Richie and I actually tested this out in the store, so it does work really good. And then they have a big open field, and it's like perfect for things like that. And we also got them some badminton rackets. There's 2 in here and lots of birdies. And then there's 2 more in here with also some birdies. So we're gonna give these to them, and then hopefully have a fun day of harvesting some corn. So we're about to walk over there, and we'll see in a little bit. I guess I'll start with giving Baludoy some of his gifts. This is for you. It's raincoat and rain pants. So you can, I haven't really got a chance to see these yet. So some rain pants if you want to wear. No problem. And then there's a rain jacket as well. Very cool. Thanks a lot, Janice. Very nice. And then we got some badminton rackets for the kids. And the much improved Frisbee. We got one for him last time and it didn't work very well. Let's see how well it works. All right, do you think I can hit a cow? Very good. Nice. Hey, wanna try? You can try to throw it to them. Very good. All right, that one works a lot better. All right. Left-handed, ready? Oh. I'm not good at left-handed. No. All right, so I guess they're ready to do the corn. All right, I'll watch first and then I'll participate after I know what I'm doing.
He said, start now, don't waste time.
Baludoy does not waste any time. All right, so I think you're just picking it off and throwing it on the ground. I think I can do that. Richie, show us how it's done. Have you done this before, Richie? You have?
When I was a kid.
All right.
Lolo's farm.
Okay.
I'm not sure if I did it correct.
It sure is a hot day today. We don't have much protection out here either. I don't know how we're gonna find all these.
Ladybug.
I don't see many ladybugs here. Why you do not want to get in her way. Next step, we go collect them all and then put them in the sacks. So when it's full, we'll just leave here. Then we go on to the next bag.
No.
We're pretty much using every piece of the corn. All this is gonna be for the cow. So by the end of the day, all of this is probably gonna be cut down and then it'll be ready for the cow. We're almost finished, I think. We have a few more piles to go.
We will get the skin.
Oh, so the next step, the final step is getting out the skin. All right. Ooh, grasshopper. This is the spider girl.
Animal girl.
Yeah, she's the animal girl. She's not afraid of insects or any kind of bugs.
Where's your spider, Dai? She said sleeping.
Sleeping for good. Her pet spider's sleeping for good. Alright, so today Richie is going to demonstrate how to carry this back to the house.
Dustin will do this for me.
Anything for you.
Slowly, because it's sharp. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, these are pretty sharp.
Yeah. Oops.
How many do you think I'll drop out?
Kuya,
You can walk behind me and pick all the pieces I drop.
until no, nothing's left.
By the time I get there, it'll be an empty bag.
Over there.
Right here? Oh, yeah.
Here.
Right here? And then all the rest is going to go to the cow. We're going to make a stick to make it easier to take off the husk from the corn.
Can I borrow your stick?
So right now everyone's separating the small ones to the big ones, and the smaller ones we're going to let dry and then eventually grind them up and then turn it into corn, which you eat. And then with the bigger ones, they're going to wait until next planting season and then plant all the big ones. Take it off into individual seeds and then plant them again that way.
Ay, worm.
Oh,
I
worm. That's protein. So with the stick, you just hook it in there. It makes it a little bit easier. The only thing you have to be careful about here is you don't want to get knocked in the head by one of those. I remember when I was younger, my grandma's mother used to have a cornfield, and we used to all go there. And I just remember running around in the cornfield playing hide and go seek. Whose goatee is better, mine or Raymond's?
Yours.
Mine?
Yeah, it's blondie. Mercico.
All right, some freshly cooked corn. You want some?
Oh.
All right, be careful, it's hot.
Oh.
Hello, sir.
I'm Santa Claus. Hey.
Hey.
Run.
Is it time to trim my eyebrows? I gotta go, my eyebrows trimmed.
Michael and Dustin versus Richie and Shalamaine.
Yeah. You guys are going down.
No, you down.
The losers has to go get drinks at the store.
Wow. All right.
But the winners will pay for it.
All right.
Watch out for the cow poo.
Oh, 16? Oh. Got it.
Oi.
Oh!
Ready?
Oh.
Oh! Nice throw. Nice grab. Nice. You guys are getting good. Goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye. That was a good day's work. We got a lot of corn done. So now the next step is taking the corn off the cob and then letting that dry. And then we'll go grind it and then
Eat.
yeah, and then eat. So they're gonna call us back when it's time for that. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so we're back at Jenny and Baludoy's, and we let this sit for about a week, I think. And the next step is taking the kernels off the cob. So that's what we're doing now.
You.
This one's easier.
Go.
One by one. If you do it row by row, it's easier.
By doing that, we hurt our thumb.
Yeah. I can see if you do this is only my first one, but if you do like 100 of these, I bet your hands are like numb. But there's one. So after we do this, then we put it out to dry. Okay.
Let's go.
So here's the rest of the corn in here. All this needs to be done. There's some corn here. And they already got started. So this is just what we did today. I think this was around like 4 or 5 pieces of corn. And then this is what they've done so far. So the next step is to just put it here. Over here. Okay. All right, so we'll let this dry for about 1 day. Oh, you found some. Nice. So here's the rest of the corn in here. And after they take all the kernels off of these and have them dry outside for a day, the next step is to come inside, and I'll show you the little tool they use for that. So I don't know how this thing works, but here's the next step. They must put it in here, and then they do that. And we'll show you once we come to that part. But
This one.
this is pretty cool.
Put
Yeah, you
here,
just put it in there.
and then there is put and then chill.
Okay. That looks like my dance move.
2, 3.
I should be pretty good at this then. I know that dance move pretty well. So I will probably do that in a couple days. I'm not sure when. We're gonna let that dry first, and then we'll come here and do that. We just arrived at Baludoy's house, and Chalamet is hard at work taking out the kernels.
Yes.
All right, so here's the corn grinder. Baludoy's gonna show us how to do this. So you see it's coming out and turns into the little grinded corn.
And then you, Dustin. Siya ko na anak yun, galing.
All right. Hold on. Where did he get this?
Din kanit yo, anong bato? He bought.
All right.
He bought.
Okay. Where do you buy this from?
Di ni mo
I've never
palit yo.
seen this at the market before.
Di na ni mo palita? From his neighbor.
Okay.
They have like that.
Did his neighbor make it?
Hindi mo rasad na sa imong gipalitan tiyo.
Ilana galingan ilang lang ipundo ko waras na ba.
Unya, gihimo na nila or gipalit.
Gibayaran
Pero kato sila pinalit sad na nila.
nauna ko dito.
This one is from their ancestors. So they don't know if they bought or made.
Oh, okay. Check out this handle. Baludoy made this, and then he bought this. He bought this portion from his neighbor, and it was in the family, like ancestors down, so they don't know exactly how long it's been there or who made it.
This one that they said very old.
But they said it's very old.
Put na tiyo.
This is what the finished product looks like. And this is the corn.
Then cook
That's the
that.
grinded down corn.
Then ready to eat.
Yeah. So then the last step would be getting all this that you just grinded and then putting it into here. and then shaking it, and then separating out all the big pieces.
Wala, nakita ang ubos. And jump like that, like that.
Okay.
And then blow like that,
1, 2, 3.
like that.
So then you put it back into here, and then you repeat it
Yeah.
until it gets smaller like this again. And then this is finished. This is ready to eat, to cook and eat.
Yeah.
All right, very cool. So that was pretty much the process of getting the corn from start to finish. And this was the last step. And it eventually turns into that. So that was the first time for me. It was very, very cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll just see you tomorrow. So this is the corn. The final product is this. And then they boil it. And they just made this, so it's nice and hot. This is the final product, and you can eat it. But it's very good. That's what Uncle Pedro eats all the time at his house. Instead of, he doesn't eat rice, he eats corn.
Oh, you said, since you're eating corn, you can now eat.
Thanks, man. He made us some fish too.
Whoa!
Nice.
Ako na daw, para